in the middle of this hot summer. It was another hot one today, and a quick live look outside this evening on our Briarfield Healthcare Center's weather camera shows the dry and sunny conditions. A few fair weather clouds popped up this afternoon, but these are fading away this evening. And of course, zero rain at the airport. What else is new? We had one day last week with a few showers around, but officially at the Youngstown Warren Airport, that's the only rain we've seen all month, running 1.24 inches behind average through the first 11 days of August. And this is the driest start to August since 1997, been 28 years. And when we look at some local rainfall totals, this map is a little bit deceptive actually, because a lot of these observations from local weather observers occurred on August 1st, reflecting rain that occurred the previous day on July 31st. So a lot of us have not had a drop of rain so far in August, despite some of these numbers here. A lot of this occurred on the last day of July. So it's been a very dry start to the month of August, and it continues to be dry in most locations across all of Ohio this evening, the exception of the northwest corner of the state. A couple of showers and a thunderstorm around Toledo this evening, a couple of thunderstorms up towards Detroit as well. When we zoom out and look at the nation as a whole, it's also very, very quiet. A scattering of showers and storms, but nothing real organized and no big organized severe weather threats. The story for the next probably 10 days or so in the tropics will be this storm. This is Tropical Storm Erin. Now this is way out here just to the west of Africa, but Erin's likely to strengthen and become a category 1, 2, or even 3 hurricane, a major hurricane, a possibility, but that'll be towards the weekend, and it'll still be way out here north and east of Hispaniola and Puerto Rico. And chances are this is not going to be a big deal for the U.S. It's probably going to recurve in about 8, 9, 10 days north of the Bahamas and then head out into the northern Atlantic. Could still provide some surf and some rip current issues for the southeastern U.S., but a direct hit does not seem likely at this point. But it'll be a strong hurricane nonetheless. 65 overnight. In here locally, a clear sky, and we're just a few days past the full moon. The moon is still fairly bright up there for tonight. And, well, a repeat performance coming up on Tuesday with the exception of a small chance of a couple of locations getting a quick shower or a thunderstorm. It's just a fraction of the area in which that could occur. Most of us will probably stay dry once again, and temperatures will be just like today. We hit 90 today, our 11th time this year. We've got 90 in the forecast for Tuesday as well. We have a somewhat better chance of seeing some wet weather on Wednesday, but it's far from a washout. This weak front approaches, and there'll be a scattering of showers and storms, perhaps most numerous around mid-afternoon, but it's still going to be pretty disorganized, pretty hit or miss, and this weak front will slide out to the east, and we'll get a little reprieve from the heat and humidity by Thursday and into Friday as temperatures will retreat back closer to average. But then, yeah, it's going to heat up again. Check out the forecast for the 16th and 17th of August. We're talking about the weekend, of course. It's going to be hot. It'll be increasingly humid. I think we probably try to hit 90 at least a couple of more times. Maybe not again until September after that. So I think the 90s that we have in the weekend forecast could be some of that last extreme heat we see until maybe sometime in early September. The rest of August probably not that hot.
Okay.
Yeah, I was outside today and it really felt hot out there.
It's tough, and it's probably even a little more humid tomorrow.
Wow. Thanks. Appreciate it, Eric. Up next in 21.